barbecue.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Newbie Q Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host, Jazz, and it's Christmas time, folks. I'm actually cooking, not really a full meal or anything, just cooking an appetizer for like 40 people. So I decided I'm going to try something. We're going to try to smoke something today. We are just doing the, I don't know if any of you have watched my channel before. I did these a while back, but I should have named them different. They're bacon wrapped sausage here, like this kind of sausage. Got all these sausages here, and then you wrap them and bake them. You smoke them. You throw a little brown sugar on it, and then a piece of cheese at the end, and some barbecue sauce. So I've done this. Excuse me. I did this a while back. I did. I made this exact same thing. They turned out fantastic. They were awesome. But I didn't have a good name for it, and somebody said they called those pig shots, and maybe that's the correct name to call them. I don't really know, but that's what we're going to call it today. We're making pig shots for the family at Christmas time. So I got a lot of prep work to do, so I have to get after it, and then we got to get we're using the pellet grill, the pellet smoker, the Oklahoma Joe Ryder 900 DLX or whatever it is. But anyway, that's what we're doing. Let's get started. Alright guys, so I have been sitting here cooking or making and prepping all this food, and I just realized that my camera hasn't been recording any of it. I'm not sure what its problem was. Apparently it was taking pictures and not recording. So I'm a little frustrated, not gonna lie. I'm a little frustrated because what you missed was me cutting up all that sausage. I've been cutting bacon, wrapping them, and getting them put in here. So I want to explain to you what I did. Like first, I said, I cut all this sausage up, little chunks, those little pieces of sausage, no big deal. Cut my package of bacon in half, and then we're gonna roll them. So this is what your finished product's gonna look like. But I will show you now that I know my camera is actually recording. I believe, yeah, still recording. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I do this. The first time I showed the camera that didn't take was probably a good thing, because that first package of bacon sucked. I'm not gonna lie. This package so far has been a pretty good package of bacon. So anyway, I'm gonna put the camera down, and I'm gonna show you how I roll one of these. Here, get you a good view here. All right, piece of bacon, half a piece of bacon. So we're gonna take it and we're gonna fold it. Okay, pretty simple. Just fold it in half. Make sure it's good and straight. Then we're going to take this piece of bacon. Actually, here, we'll take this little one because it's a little thinner strip. Thinner piece. We're just going to wrap it around. Now, here's the tricky part, is keeping them together, because you got to put your toothpick through it. Oops, shoot, see, I'm already losing it. This is where it gets tricky, because you got to be able to keep it tight and keep it on the piece of sausage. And you go through it. Okay, now you can kind of adjust it and get that. Oh, see, and it's kind of coming off there. See how it's kind of coming apart here. There. Boop. There. All the way at the other end. Now we're gonna lay this flat. Kind of leave this dome side up, and we're just gonna lay it flat in the pan. So what I'm gonna do now, here, I'm getting my camera working. There we go. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is once this is smoked, we're going to put a little piece of cheese in here and let that cheese melt down, and we'll cover it all with barbecue sauce. Also, before we put it in the smoker, we got to put a little brown sugar on it. So I'm gonna get this pan done. I'll put the brown sugar on it. We gotta get the grill turned on, and then this pan will get started cooking. All right, so here we go. Take a little bit of brown sugar. We're just gonna put a little bit on each one. Not much. We don't want a lot of brown sugar. Just a little bit. Try not to get too many on the pan because I don't want to burn it, because we're just smoking at a low temp anyway. But just a tad bit of brown sugar. Brown sugar kind of brings that sweetness into it. Alright guys, you have to forgive me, the wind is horrible, but I want to show you, I got two pans on. This is on for a little bit longer, so that one's fresh on. But see that brown sugar's already starting to melt down on that one. But 2 pans in, we got at least 1 more pan to go. Look at that, I got all that to do yet. I've already done, I already done 2 pans, and I got another one to go. At least one more to go. Man, it's taking a while. Also, if you made it this far in the video, go check out my Instagram. Go check out my Facebook. Go check out my Twitter. You can find all those under NewbieQ2020. NEWBQ2020. NewbieQ2020. Check them out. Also, hit that subscribe button, folks. Hit that bell so you get all those notifications. Comment down in the bottom. Tell me what you think. Also, hit the like button. Just a little little like button. Love it. Anyway, we're gonna keep going. I got a ways to go. I think I'm gonna crack a beer. I know it's only like, I think it might be noon. I don't really know. Haven't been paying attention. But anyway, I think I'm gonna start drinking now, and hopefully this goes well. All right, time for the cheese. We're gonna add a little cheese. I ordered cheddar, cubed cheddar, but apparently I got Colby Monterey Jack. It's a little disappointing. This wasn't what I wanted, but whatever. We got to use it. It's all we got. Let's go put some cheese on. All right, look at those suckers. They're looking good, ain't they? Just gonna put a little block of cheese on each one. A little block of cheese. Hopefully it'll just kind of melt down. At least that's what we're going for. It's pretty done. Pretty well done. Alright, so those all have cheese. We're gonna let that one melt, and then once these kind of melt, we'll do these, and we'll pull these ones off, and we'll dip these in barbecue. So we're just kind of basically doing a full rotation out here. Alright folks, time to sauce. We're gonna sauce this one. Oh yeah, look at the cheese kind of fell out of it. That's okay. Let's see if I can get you. Put just a little bit of sauce on each one. I got more sauce at inside if I need it, but I was hoping I don't need it, but we might. We sauced the first pan. Now it's time to cheese cube the second pan. Cheese cube this second one. Just realized the bottom one's gonna get burned. Bottom one's gonna burn. Okay. All right. Tell me what you think, folks. Does that not look good to you? It's pretty good. That's the good one. I got one more pan. Show you here. I got one more pan. That pan there is probably gonna be the good ones. They're not. Ooh, got real foggy there. Just trying to get that bacon a little more done. It looks like the cheese is gonna start melting here pretty quick. This one got overdone. I put this one on the bottom, and it got overdone. The bottom of them got done too quick. So we're trying to salvage as many of those as we can. All right, folks. There you have it. I put them all in the old crock pot here. Gonna keep them warm. Two pans did great. That pan and this pan did great. This pan was perfect. This pan was just a little bit undercooked. I wouldn't even say undercooked. It's just like, it was the bacon. The bacon wasn't the best on that pan. But this pan, as you can see, burned. I think it was just I was trying to rush it. I tried to push this one on the bottom. I should have waited till these two got done and then put this pan in last and then cooked it separately. But I didn't. I tried to rush it. I screwed it up. Those all got burnt. So these ones even got burnt on the bottom. I saved a few of them, but a lot of them got burned on the bottom, and I'm not going to serve that. So anyway, that's all we got. Hopefully that's enough. I mean, at this point it is what it is, so whatever. This is why I don't want to run a restaurant. I 100% don't ever want to run a restaurant, because I'm probably too hypocritical of myself anyway. But I have no want or desire to have to cook for other people, I guess. I love to cook. I love to cook food for me. I love to cook food for my family. I mean, competitions are fun. Those are great. But I am way too hypocritical of myself. And like I said, I tried to push this to get it done, and I screwed it up. So it's fine. It's gonna work out. But it is what it is. So anyway. So that's it for me. I'm done with this cook. The grill's cooling down. I'm gonna take these pants inside and get them cleaned up, and we'll be off to a Christmas party. So anyway, we'll see you guys next week on another episode of NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at NewbieQ2020, and we'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell, comment, and like, and we'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye. Peace out.